As easy as it is to make money, I mean a lot of money, trading blockchain assets, be it cryptocurrency or NFT, it is even easier to lose all that money in like lose it for vanishing. In today's episode of Adify Money, we'll be talking about what you need to know before trading or buying any blockchain assets, be it NFT or Bitcoin. Number one, the market cap. Before investing in any blockchain asset, it is very important to check how much that coin is worth and in circulation. Number two, the use cases. What technology is behind this project and what are its use cases? For example, Coda Protocol, which is now known as Mina Protocol, is the world's smallest blockchain. Despite growth in size, it always remains 22 kilobytes. Now, this means it will reduce computing power by a lot compared to blockchain, which has over 260 something gig. Mina Protocol is just going to be 22. Now, that's the kind of technology you want to buy or invest your money into.